With things wrapping up here at the 2014 edition of the Future of Genomic Medicine Conference, I asked attendees what their main takeaway was going home. Here's what some had to say.
Anything over 0 is not good.
So for me, having been in the genetics field for a number of years now, the most exciting thing is to see the clinical applications that are starting to come about. And while it's slow in some ways because of decentralized data, it's exciting to see how it really is starting to be applied in a meaningful clinical way, the large amounts of genetic data that we are seeing used.
I really love to hear how everyone is talking about sharing data and working together, and I hope that will also include sharing and combining databases with Europe as well.
I've been to this conference for 3 years now, and I particularly enjoy this conference because it's very scientifically rigorous, and there's many of the top people in the country here. At the same time, it includes some commercial aspects and some outside things that you wouldn't get at a typical academic-only meeting. So it gives a breadth that I find refreshing.
I think the most important thing to take away from this is the fact that you can see how all the different scientists interact and what they really do, because as a high school student, it's kind of hard when you're deciding like what career you want to go into. It's kind of hard knowing what people do exactly in that career path, so I think my biggest takeaway was just seeing how scientists do what they do and how they become scientists, I guess.
So this is the first conference I've ever followed Twitter, along with actually being an attendee at the conference, which has been interesting because you get a lot of viewpoints immediately back. There's a lot of feedback that you get immediately, different viewpoints I wouldn't have thought about.